How does NFT ownership affect copyright? Imagine buying a digital artwork as an NFT, a unique digital token recorded on a blockchain. But does owning that token mean you own the copyright? Not necessarily. When you purchase an NFT, you are mainly buying proof of ownership of that specific digital item. This proof is stored on a blockchain, which is a digital ledger that records transactions securely. However, owning the NFT does not automatically transfer the copyright rights of the underlying work. Copyright rights include things like reproducing, distributing, or creating derivative works from the original piece. These rights stay with the creator unless they explicitly transfer them through a legal agreement or a smart contract. So, if you buy an NFT of a digital painting, you might own the token itself, but not the rights to copy or sell the artwork. To transfer copyright, the creator must give a written license or assign those rights directly. Without this, the buyer's rights are limited to viewing or displaying the NFT. This can create confusion because the blockchain only records who owns the token, not who owns the legal rights to the content. If someone mints an NFT of a work they do not own or have permission to use, it can lead to copyright infringement. Copyright holders can take action against unauthorized minting or sales, but enforcement is tricky because blockchain transactions are pseudonymous and decentralized. From a technology view, NFTs act as digital certificates of authenticity and proof of ownership. They help document who created and owns a work, which can be useful in disputes. Some smart contracts enable automatic royalty payments to creators whenever the NFT is resold, providing ongoing income. But it is important to remember that NFTs themselves are just data records on a blockchain, not original creative works. In the metaverse and digital worlds, NFTs highlight the need to clearly define what rights are transferred when an NFT is sold. As virtual environments grow, understanding the difference between owning a token and owning copyright becomes more important. Legal rules and contracts need to evolve to specify what rights are included with an NFT and how copyright law applies in these new digital spaces. In short, owning an NFT does not mean you automatically own the copyright. Buyers should carefully review the sale terms and licenses, and creators should clearly state what rights are transferred to avoid confusion. This helps protect everyone's rights and keeps the digital marketplace fair and transparent.